Alright, next section. Now we will build the REST API, both at the front end and at the back end using Django framework. Our goal is we need to read car model configuration, and after user sets all options, save the order to database. To remind you about high-level structure we've built before at the front end, we have a bunch of components and they are all manipulating data using car service. So components are the UI and presentation layer, and service is a data layer. Currently, our service acts just like a global variable to read car model and to write an order. So the beauty of using service approach is that we can easily replace it with some other source of data, like local storage, REST API, WebSockets. And when we change it, we will modify only the service, but UI components will stay untouched. So let's start with the backend. In this video, we will prepare our Jenga project and we'll create database models. Alright, let's start with a new Jenga project. I am using Python 3 and latest Django, but it doesn't really matter, our example will work on any Django version. Now let's open it in an editor. Great. And let's create a few apps for it. So first gonna be cars, and second will be orders. Alright, let's add them to installed apps. Now I want to show you another benefit of using TypeScript at the front end. Basically what we will do, we copy TypeScript interfaces to Django model structure, and our data layer structure will be in sync for backend and frontend. This should help a lot with migrations and large amounts of models. Let's start with cars models. What we have here is 4 models: an engine, wheels, interior, and car model itself. And as you probably noted, the options have the same attributes like name, image, and price. So we should make like a one abstract model for it. So let's start with that. We'll create a new abstract model. Let's call it equip base. And it will have all the attributes we have on every option. Basically just a name, image, and a price. And let's mark it as abstract. And I'll just copy and paste the rest of the models. And engine, wheels, and interior are all inherited from equip base. Let's check if there is no errors. Okay, all good. And now let's create a car model. We'll just copy the same attributes. So base price gonna be a positive integer field, and engines, interior, and wheels gonna be many to many. And finally, let's copy the order structure. So in orders, let's create an order model. And engine, wheels, and interior will become foreign keys. The autopilot's gonna be a boolean, and the rest gonna be a char fields. Now let's check if all correct. Oh, sorry, yeah, I forgot to add on delete. We'll just cascade all. Alright, yeah, finally all set. So all we have to do now is basically input the data into a database. So I'll just copy all these values and input them in admin. I'll just skip that and just show you the final result. So here it is, our model and options for that model.